Hello friends, welcome to my channel Life of Happiness. I am Amit Agrawal. For all those who are new to this channel, please like, subscribe, share and press the bell icon below. Today we are going to talk on a very important topic on respond, not react. See friends, this is a very important thing that in normal day-to-day situations we tend to react, we tend to immediately give back the solutions, we tend to immediately jump to conclusions even without knowing the real facts, without knowing the complete picture of things. So when we try to do such thing, in the entire bargain we tend to lose in either the relationship, either the friendship, or we tend to break the bonds, or something such horrible happens to us that it takes a lot of time to come back to the real state, original state. So my request is that whenever in life you face any such situation which is very challenging and you do not have a solution, please do not react to the situation, try to respond it in a positive manner. I like to tell you a short incident which happened. It's a very important incident I like to share with you. There was this hotel there was a party which was going on in a hotel in evening, and many big dignitaries, many rich people, people from all top class, top brass had come there with their spouses, and the party was going on. Now suddenly such a thing happened that there came a cockroach in that party. From somewhere there a cockroach came flying from somewhere in that party, and it happened to sit on one of the hands of a lady who was having food. That cockroach just flew and happened to sit on the hand. Seeing the cockroach, the lady got so terrified, she shouted, screamed, and she just threw away her dish. Now this cockroach also got scared, it flew away and it went and sat on some other girl's dress. Now that other girl also became hyper and she started shouting, screaming and throwing away things from her hand, and this things flew away, the plates flew away, it hit some other person, third person, his food fell, and this cockroach went and sat on some third person, and that person started shouting, yelling, and there was a lot of commotion started happening in the entire party, which was very decently happening at that time. Now this cockroach flew and went and sat on a waiter. When the waiter saw this cockroach on him, he was carrying a big cake. He just held the cockroach with his hand. He held the cockroach in his fist, walked out of the gate, threw the cockroach away, and it came back. So what we see here is the incident, the trigger was same, but how the people reacted or responded, that resulted in very different outcomes. When this same cockroach went and sat on the lady or on a gentleman, these people got terrified, they started screaming, shouting their lungs out as if some hell has broken on them, and literally they spoiled the entire scene of the party. But when this same cockroach, it went and sat on the waiter, he quietly held the cockroach in his hand, and he went out and threw it out, and he was free from that situation. Don't you think this is happening with us all the time? Suddenly the boss calls us and asks us something, and we fumble out what to say, and then we mutter out something which is really stupid, and then the circle starts that yes, this employee is a fool, he's a good for nothing fellow, he knows nothing, and then those cycles start. Rather than, if you don't know something, please admit that, boss, give me 10 minutes time, I will come back to you with the results, or give me 2 minutes time, I need to refer something, and then I'll give you the correct results, rather than blabbering something in front of you. So my request to you people is that whenever we come into a situation which demands lot of energy, which demands lot of stress, which demands lot of pressure on our mind, don't give in to it. Don't immediately try to ride on the situation. try to handle the situation in a more calm manner. Try to think, and if you really want to buy time, be upfront, be very straightforward, be assertive. Because if you give out some wrong answers, if you give out some wrong signals, if you spread negativity, that negativity will go and definitely spoil the other person's aura also. If you are very affirmative, if you are correct in your approach, if you respond as a gentleman rather than just giving some uh, good for nothing answers, then that positivity will also affect the other person's personality. And this is the way by which you can bring peace and calm in your life. Or rather, I would say you will avoid unnecessary frictions and stress in your life. So, guys, please remain happy. Learn to respond rather than react to the situations. Use your intelligence, use your skill, use your knowledge, and if nothing works, try to buy time, ask for some gap so that you come out with the correct answers, with the correct situations, with the correct solutions for those incidents. So, please do like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. And see you soon. Bye bye for now. Take care. Stay blessed.